Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Hey, listen, man, I just wanted to tap in, kind of just, man, just share with everybody, man, that I've been having a lot of success trading on this 15-minute ORB. Now, I can't wait until I figure out, you know how they say, just get started, you'll figure it out as you go. I'm really just trying to figure out, um, the technology as far as screen record and showing you my trades and stuff like that. But until I get that worked out, man, I just want y'all to know that this 15-minute ORB strategy is really simple if you don't overcomplicate it. Okay, so what I've been finding out, or what I've learned, or what I figured out, is that once you got your pre-market high and low set, and you got your ORB high and low set, and you set your midline, man, at that point it's just really just playing support and resistance. You know, so what that looks like is maybe a break and retest uh, through a key level with volume. It may look something like a flag from one level to the next. Um, and then making sure that you wait on confirmation, which for me is a 5-minute candle close. And then I get my entry on the 2-minute. And if you don't size up too much, uh, patience, the buzzwords, patience, it's just wait on your setup, man. Wait on your setup and then take your shot, you know. Um, Couple things that I also kind of figured out too is like I like a clean chart, so I can use certain things within the 15-minute ORB to kind of eliminate things on my chart. For example, if we sitting at ORB high or ORB low, that gives me an idea. I'm outside, man. I'm in the garden. Uh, just trying to make it do what it do. I heard something in the woods. I ain't trying to get took out the box by no deer or nothing. But, it allows me to eliminate the RSI, simply because if I'm at my ORB high, I'm probably overbought, and vice versa. If I'm near the ORB low, I'm probably oversold. If we're kind of like trending, the price action is kind of like trending in between, the levels, like the ORB high and low, then that helps me eliminate um, having to do trend line strategies, because it just clutters up the chart for me. So I figured out, um, certain things that'll help me just clean up my chart so I can kind of just look at price action and volume and be comfortable going from one level to the next, because if I do that with size, I can make a lot of money. Now, for me, I just been taking base hits right now. Uh, $200 a day on average. I could show you how to do $200 a day. I'm still trying to perfect my entry in terms of being able to take 1 or 2 trades a day. Right now, I'm just my average is probably about 4 to 5 trades a day. And if I manage my risk and let my winners, run like they need to, move my stop losses, don't jump in too heavy, maybe scale up as the price action goes in my direction. That's been working for me this month. Um, and this month I've had what, man, maybe one losing trading day. And this what, the May 12th right now. So I'm pretty comfortable with what my approach is. I trade Tesla, and that's all that I trade. I kind of understand how it moves. I understand the levels. Um, I'm doing pretty good right now. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, man. I really look forward to being able to figure out the technology, and just let y'all know, man, it ain't never too late. It ain't all that hard. A lot of it is personal development, um, because once you understand your levels, once you understand price action, wicks, you know, bullish engulfing candles, flags, double tops, double bottoms, man, it's just really about playing the game and making sure that if you wrong, that you ain't holding on to your trades too long. And if you right, you just letting them things run. So like I said, man, I'm excited. Uh, I really just started making, YouTube videos once I felt like I had at least a strategy. And within that strategy, uh, you got to have systems in place to make sure that you don't get off track. Not saying I'm perfect, but this month is a great month. Last month was my first profitable month. As I said before, I've been trading for a couple years, but now I feel like, you know, I understand my entries, which was complicated for a while. And I know how to manage my risk, you know, just by looking at my candles. You know, so hey, y'all keep it locked in. You know, I'm gonna hit y'all back up probably in a day or two. Keep y'all posted in terms of what my experiences are, you know, so we can just kind of grow together. Uh, Also, you know, just trying to share all aspects of my life, you know, in terms of how I'm trying to be disciplined. You know, so you might see some videos of me working out. You definitely gonna see some videos of me out in this garden, you know, trying to eat right. Uh, you're gonna see me, you know, cook in a certain kind of way, you know, and just trying to make sure that my body's tight, my mind is tight. You know, I'm operating at the highest level possible for what I'm trying to do, and just really, man, just trying to help as many people as I can, you know, while I figure it out, because I ain't perfect, you know, but I'm doing pretty well right now. You know, until the next video, y'all take care. Peace out.